This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry Van Eman. Most desired Southwest Cape Coral pool home, 3-bed 2-bath 2-car garage, almost 2,000 square foot under air home. Very open floor plan with formal dining as well as breakfast area. Stainless appliances and granite counters throughout kitchen and baths. Upgraded wood cabinets as well. Master bathroom has jacuzzi tub and separate shower. Entire home has 10 ft tie beam. Tile roof and stamped concrete driveway. This would be a great income property. Walking distance to shopping, restaurants. Cape Harbour Marina about a mile away. For more information, review the details below.